Have you ever wondered why some dishes taste richer and more flavorful than others, even when the ingredients are similar? Today, we're exploring how fat plays a crucial role in enhancing flavors. Flavor compounds, often referred to as essential oils, are primarily fat-soluble. This means they mix well with fats and oils but not water. Fats in foods act like a solvent for these flavor compounds, dispersing them throughout the dish and enhancing its overall taste. For instance, adding cheese to dishes can significantly enhance their flavor. Hydrophobic or fat-soluble compounds have higher thresholds in oil compared to water. This is why full-fat cheeses often provide stronger flavors than low-fat versions. Interestingly, when you eat fats, your body mobilizes stored lipids from the gastrointestinal tract. This process can lead to a rapid rise in plasma triglycerides, enhancing the perception of flavor. Understanding how fats enhance flavors can help you make better culinary choices. For example, adding a bit of fat to your salad dressing can improve the absorption and flavor perception of vegetables. So next time you're cooking or eating, consider how fats are playing a key role in making your dishes more flavorful. It's not just about taste, it's about the chemistry of flavor compounds and fats. Now you know why fat equals flavor. What other food science facts do you want to explore? Let us know in the comments.